That's close, but what have I got? It's a T30. A collection of them. But hopefully. Hey, I got it! What are you? Dang, I can't read it. Alright, well, unfortunately I can't read it. I know that other one was a T. Let's see if this one fits. Well, that one actually fits too. It's kind of worn down, but T45. Okay. So that one fits a T45. Collection over the years. What I'm talking about is that U-joint. U-joint right here. It's got it's a T40. Unscrew that, and then this will pop out, and it'll free up the rest of my. I think it's going to free up the rest of my mess up in here. Got another one here. Okay. Or maybe I can loosen that one instead of messing with that one. So it looks like I got a couple of different options here. So first of all, let's get these. I want to get the bolts, nuts off of these, drop them down. The only thing is, it's going to be in my way if I go to try and pull that. So I'm going to go and loosen that one right here, which I didn't realize was there. Okay, good. That is a 13. I'm going to loosen that one up first, because the rest of them could be done at a later date. Because basically all I need is a telescope. I don't need the steering wheel. I just need I need the telescope. I'm thinking, and that's exactly what I got. Now I got that, I can probably tone that down. Slide off of there. Use the right tools. Let me get a hammer. That's it. Drop out. Good. I think so. Yep, sure did. Alright. Well, that said, that doesn't come out, does it? I want to drop that steering wheel, get it out of my way. It also shows you guys that you can how to drop the steering wheel if you need to. So, what did I say those were? 13 deep. Roughly 13 deep. This stuff in my way. Okay, now if you're gonna, of course, if you're gonna take steering wheel, you got to pull that bracket off. and then you can go for the steering wheel. If you watch the video, you're gonna watch the video prior to this, you're gonna see that I removed that, and how I removed it. My socket. Okay, I'm disconnected. Now, of course, these are all kind of like lock bolts, lock nuts. It's got a few inches to go. Almost there. Okay, good. All right. That'll warm. That'll warm. Okay. Let's get that one. I believe there's 4 of them holding this up. At least that's what I'm looking at. Now the video before this, if you're catching this video, one before that I had to remove it so I could remove the multi-function switch. Get a little warm. Next one's a little bit further back. Okay, close up of what I just did. Okay, front bolt, one right here, one right here. Back bolt, you got one right there, and you got one over there. That's gonna. And they are 13s, and I use a 13 deep on it. This one's got quite a bit of red on it. Great. Yep. It's got lots of thread on it. Ay, ay, ay. Lots of thread. We have an air ratchet. Take a break. Got much left. I got the one. Which means I'm going to be able to take the steering wheel out. And then I'll have access to all that area in there, because I need that telescope. I call it a telescope. And it goes all the way through down to the outside through the firewall, and then connects to another U-joint. And maybe all I need is that other U-joint on the other side. Disconnect that, and I can pull that through here. Because on the other side you got two bolts, 2 nuts holding the bolts going through the firewall, holding that assembly in place. All right, take one to go. That's probably pretty damn warm. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah. Warm. Right now. Down out of the way, because I'm going to need to do that when I do that. Everything stays with the steering wheel. Stays with the steering wheel. Find out what other wires I haven't disconnected. But here we go. Now in a minute I start pulling this. The steering wheel should